Okay, so we learned about generalizations and we talked about some examples of some generalizations. There's a long list on page 40, and I recommend the reading. I think the reading on this topic is pretty good, the reading assignment. Now, the next thing I want to teach is the idea of a quantifier. And after generalizations, this is the next most important thing I want to teach. So a quantifier is uh, quantifiers are words or phrases. So quantifiers, words or phrases that say how many or how much. Okay, quantifiers are words or phrases that say how many or how much. So some examples are these are going to be words like all, no, some, many, most. They answer how many or how much, so it could be like 80%, 20%, or even like 50, 30. Okay, now why is this valuable? Why is this important? When we, if you look at these generalizations, they're making claims, but there's a quantifier missing. And because it's missing, the claim actually becomes a little bit unclear what they're saying. So is the person, like we said before, saying all Apple products suck? Probably not. Maybe they're probably saying some Apple products suck, and then they're probably okay. Um, Many Apple products suck. We might start disagreeing. The point, though, and we say this about PC products, is that um, the absence of the quantifier can make this a sentence become more imprecise and more vague, so that it's hard to assess what claim is being made. Let's take these more like politically sensitive sentences like men are logical or women are emotional. At first it sounds, oh yeah, that's kind of sexist, or like that's not right. But um, when we add the quantifiers, we can get a little bit clearer on how to assess the truth values of these claims. And that's even with the words logical and emotional being a little bit vague. So if I add the word all, so somebody says men are logical, women are emotional. I say, do you mean all men are logical? They can be like, well, not all. Some men are logical? Oh, yeah, probably. Many are? Yeah, probably. Most? A little up for debate. And even same for the women one. All women are emotional? Probably not. Some? Yeah. Many? Probably. Yeah. So now, once we add the quantifiers, it's easier to agree or disagree with the claim. Okay? Before it's like, what am I committing to if I were to affirm one of these sentences is true? But once we add the quantifier, it's a little clear, and then we can understand what we're saying. Okay, and in this, it actually will help uh, politically sensitive claims that we're a little bit afraid to assess by adding the quantifier and saying how many or how much. Uh, we can actually assess whether the claims are true better. So I'm going to give two examples in the next video.